If you're tired of dealing with nail fungus and searching for a real solution, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore ProNail Complex, a natural supplement that's being talked about as a potential ultimate solution for nail fungus. But does it really work? ProNail Complex is designed to target the root cause of nail fungus with its powerful blend of natural ingredients. Key elements like tea tree oil, herbal extracts, and essential vitamins work together to restore the health of your nails and the skin around them. Unlike other treatments that may only mask symptoms, ProNail Complex aims to address the issue from within, helping to repair and strengthen your nails over time. So, how does it work exactly? Well, tea tree oil has been used for years for its antifungal properties, helping to fight off the infection that causes nail fungus. The vitamins and herbal extracts in ProNail Complex nourish your nails, making them stronger and more resilient to further damage. This combination is what makes it stand out in the crowded market of nail care solutions. But is it the ultimate solution? The truth is, nail fungus can be stubborn, and results vary from person to person. What makes ProNail Complex different is its holistic approach. It not only targets the fungus, but also works to improve overall nail health, which is key to preventing future infections. With consistent use, ProNail Complex could be a game changer for those struggling with chronic nail fungus. It's a safe, natural option that's free from harsh chemicals, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a more gentle, yet effective treatment. In the next part of the video, we'll compare ProNail Complex with other treatments available on the market. How does it stack up in terms of results, ease of use, and safety? Stay tuned. And if you're ready to give ProNail Complex a try for yourself, the link to purchase is in the description below. You can start your journey toward healthier, fungus-free nails today.